for a business dinner.
Get a drama some. Get a drama some.
Tell her don't trip about going to business. Need to go to business dinners at night.
Well, it looks to me like you ain't gotta go to no business dinners.
Now listen to me when I tell you this. Done a lot of things in my life. I've been a lot of places, met a lot of great people, seen a lot of things on vacation. But I'm gonna tell you, smoking a Reserva Romeo and Juliet Cuban cigar while drinking on 21-year age Cavassier cognac at sunset on a motherfucking yacht in a jacuzzi while watching the Count of Monte Cristo on a private island might just be the most disrespectful shit I've ever done in my life. It brings me to tears. Day 2, house 2.
Bam. Do is get a little condo to look like this. Ready?
Stop that. Come on now. Day 2, house 2.
Day 2, house 2.
Ocean Crusaders. Goodness. Wi-Fi, 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 Wi-Fi. Y'all stupid as that.